Hi, this is Ashankar. Today I am going to explain the third experiment. That is looping statements using shell scripts. I am going to apply the looping statements and other statements in this shell programming for the given 5 questions to solve it, and also I use the scientific calculations using DC commands in this session. I will show you. And at first there are 5 questions that are given to me. At first question is factorial of a number. So for the factorial of a number, I get the values and I will store the value in name known as num. And each time I'm multiplying the value with a 1, and each time the calculation with the iterations, so it will help us me to find the factorial of a number. So I'll show the output for this, and so sh experiment 1 so enter the number. I will enter 4. So 4 factorial is 24. So that's where we have to find, and sum of a given series. So at first I will find the sum of the given series in 1, 3, 5, the odd number series, and next one is 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial in the series. So at first I will get the numbers same as in, I'll show it, and through the iteration I will get the odd series through I equal to I plus 1, I plus 2. So in that way I will get the odd series. Then for the signed iteration I need two things. One is for the series and another one is for factorial. So first this will be useful for me to find the iterations from 1 to n, and then here it will use the iteration for this factorials like 1, 2, 3, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, etc. So in that way I will get the values for this. So I will show you. So enter number. If I enter 3, so the sum of 3 odd series is 4. You can see 1 plus 3 is 4, and the next one is 1 plus 2 plus 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial. So in that way it has been made. So it will show the output value 9. Then next thing is Fibonacci series. In Fibonacci series it has to be added with the 2 elements 0 and 1, and the next iteration is based upon the previous 2 elements by adding these values to get for the next element. So in that way Fibonacci series works. At first I will get the n values for the series. So the starting one is 0 and 1, and I will use a sum for adding these two. So first it will echo the first values like 0 and 1, and next thing is till the iterations get over for the lesson, it will add and will iterate, and it will store in the gem. This in here it will be swapped for the a and b, and next time the sum value will be changing for the next iteration itself. So in this way this Fibonacci series works. I will show you. So enter the final n. So 0. So first 0 and 1, 0 plus 1 is 2. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. In that way it has to go for the iterations till it's 50. It will go. So the next one is multiplication table. For the given number I will have to find the multiplications table. So I used till 15 count, and you can see that 15 will, each iteration from the 1 to 15 it will be multiplied with the given number, and it will be stored in the mul, and it will be displayed. So I will show you. So enter the number for the 6 tables. I will show you 1 into 6 2. In that way till 15 it will show the multiplication table for that. Then I used a scientific calculator like plus, minus, star, divide, percentage, square root, power, sine, cos, tan, everything. So I will show you how this works. At first I use switch statements in this. This is case which works as a switch case for the Unix command. For the first, if I click 1, I will get the first one is addition, then 2 is subtraction, 3 is multiplication, 4 is remainder, and so on. So for everything I have added. For the division, the remainder cannot be 0, so it cannot be 0, so it will show, otherwise it will show the remainder. Then for the square root, I used the square root using the BC calculator. Then here also I use the power calculator to this, and for finding the degree I will get the values from the degree values. Then I will make it to this rad, and I will show you how the program works. And in that case I will get the same as cos, and if you divide the values from the cos and sine, then you will get the tan. So if you click any other values, it will show triangle. So I will show you the fifth one. So for the multiplication, first number is 4 and 5, and this multiplication is 20. For power calculation, so I click 7. So the power, enter the number is 6, and the power of 2, so 3 6 to the power 2 is 36. In that way, this scientific calculator works. So this is my third experiment. Thank you.